Friends, now we will learn how to print the delivery schedule of a scheduling agreement. The transaction code to print the delivery schedule of a scheduling agreement is ME9E and the path is logistics, materials management, purchasing, outline agreement, scheduling agreement, delivery schedule, print, transmit ME9E. So before we print the delivery schedule of a scheduling agreement, we must know that there are two types of scheduling agreements. One is with release documentation and the other is without release documentation. So the difference between the scheduling agreement with release documentation and without release documentation is described by the type of the scheduling agreement. So here the scheduling agreement with release documentation is of type LPA and the scheduling agreement without release documentation is of type LP. So this is a configuration of the types of the scheduling agreements. So now we will print the delivery schedule of a scheduling agreement with release documentation or scheduling agreement of type LPA. So this is the scheduling agreement with release documentation or of type LPA for which we will print the delivery schedule. So first, before printing the delivery schedule of this scheduling agreement, I will display this scheduling agreement. I will show it whether it is of type LPA or of type LP. So let us go to SAP and here let us go to ME33L or display scheduling agreement. I will double click. So this is the scheduling agreement which we have to for which we have to print the delivery schedule. So first I will display the scheduling agreement. I will press enter. We can see that this scheduling agreement is of type LPA or with release documentation. So now let us go to the print delivery schedule of the scheduling agreement. So I will double click on ME9E. We are in message output or ME9E screen. So this is the scheduling agreement for which we have to print the delivery schedule. And in the message data details, we can see the application is by default EL. EL means, as we can see here, purchasing scheduling agreement release or delivery schedule of the scheduling agreement. Purchasing scheduling agreement release means nothing but delivery schedule of a scheduling agreement. So, and also the processing status is 0 by default. 0 means not processed or not printed. So if the delivery schedule is already printed, we can change the processing status to 1, which is successfully processed or which is already printed, and we can print the delivery schedule again. So for this one, I have not yet printed the delivery schedule. So let the processing status be 0 as it is. I will click execute. We are in the message output screen. So here we can see there are two message types for this scheduling agreement. One is the LPJ1 and the other is LPH1. So the output type LPJ1 is the output type for the delivery schedule of JIT delivery schedule, and the output type LPH1 stands for the delivery schedule for the FRC delivery schedule. So LPJ1 means output type for JIT delivery schedule and LPH1 means output type for FRC delivery schedule or forecast delivery schedule. You know very well that FRC delivery schedule means the delivery schedule which shows the requirements of the near future requirements, and FRC delivery schedule shows the requirements which are not a near future or which are medium term requirements. So first what we will do, we will display both the JIT delivery schedule and FRC delivery schedule before we will print them. So I will select LPJ1 or JIT delivery schedule and then let us display the JIT delivery schedule. I will click display message. So we can see the scheduling agreement number, date, we can see the vendor's name and address, we can see the delivery address. So we can see the target quantity, schedule quantity, and we can see the JIT delivery schedule. JIT delivery schedule means near future requirements. So here we can see on 4th of December 2019 at 10 hours there is a requirement of 50 pieces. On the same date at 14 hours there is a requirement of 110 pieces. On 9th of December at 10 hours there is a requirement of 190 pieces. On 9th December 2019 at 14 hours there is a requirement of 230 pieces, and on 12th December 2019 there is a requirement of 370 pieces. So this is the JIT delivery schedule of the scheduling agreement. I will go back. Now I will select output type LPH1 and click display message. So here we can see the FRC delivery schedule or forecast delivery schedule. So FRC delivery schedule means it shows the requirement of the medium term requirements. So not immediate or not near future. They are the medium term requirements. So here we can see in the 49th week of 2019 we need 110 pieces, and in the 50th week of 2019 we need 370 pieces. In the 51st week of 2019 we need 520 pieces, and in the 52nd week of 2019 we need 640 pieces. So this is the FRC delivery schedule or forecast delivery schedule of the scheduling agreement. Now we will go back. We will select both of these output types and then we will click output message. So we can see the green right check mark here. That means the messages are outputted. That means both the JIT delivery schedule and FRC delivery schedule of the scheduling agreement are printed. Now how to see if the JIT delivery schedule and FRC delivery schedule of this scheduling agreement is printed? We will go to display scheduling agreement here. We will go to the delivery schedule here. Just select this line item and click delivery schedule. So we are in display scheduling agreement delivery schedule screen. Now in this screen click item and click SCA release documentation. Here now we can see two columns, main columns. One is for JIT schedule and other is for FRC schedule. So first you select the release number 1 of JIT schedule and click on schedule lines or release, schedule lines release. I will click that one. Now we are on schedule lines for JIT schedule. So this is the JIT schedule what we have just seen in the print preview. So now if we click messages per release, we can see that the print status of this delivery schedule is green or it is successfully processed. So I will go back. Now select the release number 1 of FRC delivery schedule and click schedule lines release, schedule lines per release. Click there, and here we can see the FRC delivery schedule of the scheduling agreement, and this one we had already seen in the print preview of the FRC delivery schedule. Now click on messages per release. So we can see the print or the output status of the delivery schedule is green or successfully processed. So the FRC delivery schedule of the scheduling agreement is also printed successfully. So this is how to print the delivery schedule of a scheduling agreement with release documentation, and we have just now seen that we have successfully printed the JIT delivery schedule and also the FRC delivery schedule of the scheduling agreement with release documentation or of type LPA. Thank you for watching my video. Please give me your valuable comments, likes, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please click the bell icon so that you will get notification of my upcoming videos on several scenarios on MM. Thanks for your time.